Resting accommodation. Hi there, this is me, Rhazeniel, and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button para updated ka kapag meron akong bagong video. So for today's video mga web, as you can see sa my title, we will gonna be doing English only for this video. At the same time, I will tour you in our small house. Now you see here, so here my outfit. So my outfit is very natural. I didn't prepare for it because you know I'm just here in our farm, so no more preparation needed. Is the house. The house is made of wood. Wood. So come here, let's go. So we will start with this. Here, come here. So English is very undescribable. So this is what it looks like. So they cook here the coconut. The coconut in the up there. See here? You see that? Okay. So now you're back. So come here. Let's go inside our house. So the view of our house is under the mountain. So but we will go inside mga bed. Let's see what inside look like. So we have terrace here. I think that this is not terrace. In Tagalog, this is tepenko. Bisaya man palig tepenko jay. Basta we have something like looks like this. You stay here at the night, seeing the star, resting like that. So here is the coconut. This coconut is well cooked there. Yes. We have water here. I don't know what is it. Salt. I think this salt is from last year because they have a lot of amags. So we have sliding. What do you call this? Sliding like that. Sliding. Come here. Let's go inside our house. Our farm. So we have here. We can see here if we see the view because we have what we call this in English, windows. Windows. F1 window, F2 windows. So there, here, see here, this will cook here. They will cook here. The smoke go up. Basta. So we have table here. If we eat here, we just stay here and it will soon like that. We have power bank, we have cell phone, charger, the keys here because you know this wood is very accommodation. Very expensive, that's why we should lock it. We have here to cover that. Here, show here. We have coconut. We have a lot of coconut right there. We have aesthetic walis. We have batting shoot. Balenciaga jacket. Yes, bitch. So here is our room. So are you excited for our room? So this cover is from Gucci. It's just very affordable because we buy it on Australia. Yeah. So let's come in. You just put it like that. Come here. Wow. Our house is very beautiful. Our room. So we can see here. We can see a lot of things here. Then we have bed. Come here. Come inside. We have pillows. Our pillows is Mickey Mouse. It's very affordable. I think it's limited edition. So yes, we have a lot of here. Vinegar that it's very dry. We have, what is the English of this? We have matches. We have a matches because it's 3, so it's matches. Also, we have this. Pala mga beb, yes. So that's what it looks like here inside the room. Very, very simple, at the same time expensive. Planting. Planting kasi. Come on, let's go. Come here. Oh, look at the view. That's why I love mountains and here, because very, very fresh air. Ear ka, girl. Fresh air, no bad odor, bad environment. We have fresh food. Like that. Yummy. Come on, let's go to our farm. I mean, our plants. Here, we have what we call this, coconut grass. Ay, lemon grass. Calabasa. Squash, yes, we have squash here. It's dead already. Come here, closer. The squash is already not in good mood, so I think we put it like that because it's already eaten by the worms. Yes. So now this is our plant. So we will go there. Come here. Let's go. They have a lot of coconut, lot of trees like that. Very refreshing, very fresh. Come here. So here is our plant. Here you go. I don't know where is the entrance and the exit. So we will try to, go here. We just, that. Come here, we try. Don't come back. I think this is the entrance. Mag-entrance nga ni. Ay, bulok dar. Come here. Here you go, mga dad. So we have a lot of beverages because we are vegetable. Vegetarian. Oh my God, English. We have corn. We have species, spices. Sa English nga ni. Basta pang-add sa mga pangpalami sa mga lasa. And here, you see the talong. Oh my God, I love talong, mga babe. Char! So ayan, we have ceiling ducks. Plant beverages. Black pepper. Black pink. Bell pepper. Black pepper yung bilat. So, we have also pineapple. At the same time, talong, or the English of the talong is eggplant. So here, we come here. We have bananas. We have kamuting dahon. Kamote, we have kamote. See it. Yes, there, kamote. Then, can you show the world the species? There you go. Oh, we have also ampalaya. Oh my God, there you go. Very, very accommodation. There you go. We have a lot of here, plants, because we love plants. So we have also at the same time squash, just like there in our bahay kubo. We have plants. Oh, okra. Also okra. If you are asking, Fabs, if we already eaten this, yes, we harvest. If we don't have food to eat, we just harvest here. So if you wanna buy, please contact me. Link down below. Chat. So most of this is all of this is most likely is mais. We have a lot of mais. So we were just gonna wait until they grow up so we can eat them. So let's go to our second floor, which is up the mountain. Also, Beb, we have also malunggay here. It's not, it's just short because it's not long. Hi Bev, so we are currently here nasa at the top. So English is very poor and it's very sad. It's very hard. English is very hard. But hopefully you will not judge me because you know English is not my first language, you know. So as you can see, there's our Bahay Kubo right there. Then our plants is right there. So we were gonna go up until the up. Come on, let's go. Stop. Hey Babs, so I'm here at the top. I'm here at the top. So here we have the sweet potato. This just like there in the bottom. Cassava. Oh yes, we have cassava here. We have cassava. There we have ampalaya. Can you show them? Ampalaya. Then right there we have okra. And just like that. Hi Belle, so we're back. So oh my god, nakakapagod mag-English at the same time nakakapagod ding mag-tour. So as you can see naman, hagardosa na ang bakla. So oh my god, ngayon ko lang itong nafe-feel. So sana is nagustuhan nyo tong video na to. So anyway, thank you Luigi for you know, for videoing me for filming me right now. So hindi na siya magpapakita sa camera kasi you know, camera shy siya. So oh my god, so thank you for watching mga Beb. So sana nagustuhan niyo tong vlog kong to. So kung nagustuhan mo to, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell para updated ka kapag meron akong bagong video. So anyway mga Beb, kung gusto niyo gumawa ako ng 24 hours sa bukid challenge, just comment down below. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.